to zero order reactions. Zero order reactions. So, what are the zero order reactions? So, the reactions in which rate of the reaction is independent of concentration of reactants. Rate of the reaction independent of concentration of reactants. That means the concentration of reactants does not affects the rate of the reaction. Now rate remains as constant throughout the course of the reaction. Rate remains as constant throughout the course of the reaction. Now concentration of reactions will not affect the rate of the reaction. That means rate will not change with time. Rate will not change with time. Consider a zero order reaction. For example, A gives rise to products. A gives rise to products. So generally we know that rate is directly proportional to concentration terms. Here A is the reactant. Rate is directly proportional to concentration of A power 0. 0 indicates this is the order. So zero order reaction. So A power, concentration of A power 0. If you remove proportionality constant, rate equal to K into concentration of A power 0. Now something power 0 equal to always 1. So that's why concentration of A power 0 is 1. Then rate equal to K. K is a constant. K is a constant. So rate equal to dx by dt. Rate equal to dx by dt. X is the concentration. T is the time. So dx by dt equal to k. So rate equal to k. K is the constant. So for zero order reaction, rate equal to k. Now if you write dx by dt, dx by dt, it is the rate. So dx by dt equal to k. Now dx equal to k into dt. K into dt. If you apply integration both sides, integration of dx equal to k constant and integration of dt. So integration derivation cancel. Integration derivation cancel. So that's why x equal to k into t. X equal to k into t. Now k equal to x by t. K equal to x by t. So here x k equal to x by t. Now here this is the mathematical form of zero order reaction. This is the mathematical form of zero order reaction. Here x is concentration of the reactant reacted at t time. X is the concentration of the reactant reacted at time t. Reacted at time t. K is the rate constant. Now similarly, another form of the same equation, let A naught is the initial concentration of the reactant. A naught is initial concentration of the reactant, and this is the concentration of A. In the concentration of reactant left out as unreacted after time t. This A concentration of A indicates after t time unreacted reactant. This A is concentration of A is after t time unreacted reactant concentration. Unreacted reactant concentration. This A naught is the initial concentration of the reactant. Initial concentration of the reactant. Now amount reacted x, amount of reacted is x is A naught minus A naught minus A. Here if a reactant R is reacting, now its initial concentration, for example if it is taken as A, its concentration, initial concentration is A naught. Initial concentration is A naught. In t time, if x is reacted in a t time. Initial concentration of A naught is the initial concentration of A in t time if x is reacted. Then the remaining A the remaining A mean unreacted. Remaining A mean unreacted. Unreacted A is equal to initial concentration minus X. If you take, we will get unreacted A. So this is considered as A, concentration of A. A mean unreacted reactant. Unreacted reactant. Now A naught minus A equal to X. A naught is the initial concentration of A. In T time, if X is reacted, the unreacted reactant concentration, this is A. A is the unreacted reactant. Now X equal to, X is what? X is the concentration of reactant reacted in T time. Concentration of reactant reacted in T time. So X equal to A naught minus A naught minus concentration of A. So A naught minus A gives always X. So from this, here K equal to X by T. K equal to X by T. Here X equal to A naught minus A. X equal to A naught minus A. So this is also same mathematical form of zero order reaction. K equal to X by T or K equal to A naught minus A by T also mathematical form of zero order reaction. Here terms X is amount of reactant reacted with time T. In T time, amount of reactant reacted, that is X. Here A naught is initial amount of reactant. Here A is the amount left out, that means unreacted reactant. Now if we plot a concentration of reactant against time for zero order reaction, if we take graphs between concentration of reactant against time for a zero order reaction, we will get graphs like this. This is the concentration, initial concentration of reactant and time. It gives this straight line, linear graph we will get. With increasing the time, the concentration linearly decreases. Concentration of reactant linearly decreases. Now next, if we plot a graph of rate of reaction against time for a zero order reaction, we get the rate of the reaction on y-axis, time on x-axis. Now rate remains constant. Why? Because the rate of the reaction is independent of concentration of reactant. So in the case of zero order reaction, so that's why rate of the reaction and time. Now X amount of reactant reacted. X is the amount of reactant reacted if it is taken on y-axis. T is the time. Now it gives slope equal to K. So X by T equal to K. We know that X equal to K into T. This is equal to Y into M into X. Y into M into X form. So y-axis on y-axis amount of reactant reacted, and T is the time on x-axis. Now we will get to this like graph. This is for zero order reaction. Here slope equal to positive, that is equal to constant K. Now time taken for 100% completion of a zero order reaction. That means 100% completed mean here reactant completely reacts. Now here X amount of reactant reacted at time T. A naught is initial amount of reactant, and A amount left out, that means unreacted after the time, after time T, unreacted reactant. So here 100% completion mean here A will be 0. So we know that X equal to A naught minus A, initial concentration of reactant minus unreacted reactant. So 100% completion mean A naught is 100%, now A is 0, that means unreacted is 0. So now x equal to A naught, x equal to A naught. We know that formula k equal to x by t. Here x equal to A naught minus A. Now A equal to 0, so that's why k equal to A naught minus A naught by t, time for 100 percentage, time for 100 percentage. This is also another mathematical form of the zero order reaction, zero order reaction.